Number 27 is asking us for a maximum or a minimum value. Okay, so we look at A for that to tell us if it has a max or a min. So if this is positive, it opens up, so that means it has a minimum. So 27 has a minimum. But they also want the minimum value. Well, the minimum value is your y value of your vertex right there. That's all I got to find. Okay, so the vertex for this particular question is -2, -5.
All staff, please post your attendance. Thank you.
So the minimum is -5. 28. Rewrite that as y equals -5 and then x minus 0 squared plus 6. So my vertex in this case is 0, 6. That's negative, so it means it opens down. So it's got a max, and it's right there, the y value. So the max is 6. Okay. And then 29, got to do the exact same thing. The only bummer with this one is it's in the standard form, so I got to use -b over 2a. And we're looking at x equals -b. b is -4, so I plug in a -4 all over 2 times a, and that's 1. So we're looking at 4 over 2. Okay, and then x equals 2. Okay, so that's for my vertex. But I got to find out what y equals. That's what I need for this question. So I say y equals 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 7. So that's 4 minus 8 plus 7, -4 plus 7, that equals 3. Okay, so going back, that number's positive, so it opens up. So kind of squeezing this in, but it has a minimum at 3. Okay, that's my y coordinate. All right. Let's look at number 30. Number 30 says they give you a function, they give you an equation, they want you to shift it 3 to the left and 4 up. So here's what it is right now. Okay, and its vertex is -4, -8. Now remember, if they say 3 to the left, that's your x value. So left is in the negative direction, right? So left is negative, so I subtract 3. And then they say up, that's in the positive direction, so that's +4. So I get -7, -4.
All students who are not participating in an extracurricular activity at this time, please report to the front of the school to wait for your ride.
And then I re-plug this in for the new equation. So that's my new vertex, but this is my new equation. Okay. 31 is, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the 6 to both sides so that it looks right. See how I added that 6 to both sides? So my vertex was this, and it says shift down 6, so that's your y value, so that's -6. 3 to the left, so that's -3, so that's -1 and 0. So my new equation is y equals 1/4 x plus 1 squared plus 0. Now if this was multiple choice, you're not going to see the 0 in there. Okay, so you would see something like that.